Good morning. How are you today? I'm fine, thank you. I want to listen to you. I'm fine, thank you. Let me see who is here. Is here the 3 years old class? Hello. Is here the 4 years old class? Hello. Is here the 5 years old class? Hello. Is here the first grade class? Hello. And is here the second grade class? Good morning. So, Patri is here to try to entertain you as much as possible during these weeks. So now I'm going to tell you the story of the balloon and the story of Susie and Jenny. Are you ready? Yes? So 1, 2, 3, it's story time for you and me. Open your eyes, open your ears, and pay attention. Once upon a time, once upon a time, once upon a time, Peter was walking along the street. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, when suddenly he saw something on the floor. Wow! Wow! A balloon! A balloon! A balloon! And Peter took the balloon. Oh, yuck! Oh, yuck! Oh, yuck! It's dirty! It's dirty! It's dirty! So Peter went to the water and washed the balloon. Wash! 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 Now it's clean! Now it's clean! Now it's clean! Suddenly came Sally, walking along the street. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. And Sally saw Peter with a balloon. And Sally said, Peter, Peter, what a balloon! Blow it, blow it, blow it. And Peter said, okay, Sally, okay, Sally, okay, Sally. Look, Sally, a big red balloon, a big red balloon, a big red balloon. And Sally said, Peter, Peter, bigger, bigger, bigger. And Peter said, no, no, Sally, no, no, Sally, no, no, Sally. But Sally insisted and said, bigger, 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 bigger. And Peter said, okay, Sally, okay, Sally, okay, Sally, bigger, bigger. Bam! The balloon blown up, and Peter was so sad. Oh, my balloon, my balloon, my balloon. And that's all. And that's all. And that's all. So now we are going to review the story of the two sisters, Susie and Jenny, not Susie and Sally. Susie and Jenny. Are you ready for that? Yes? So let's stretch a little bit. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Okay? And remember, open your eyes, open your ears, and pay attention. Once upon a time, once upon a time, once upon a time, there were two sisters at home, Susie and Jenny. Susie was playing with the piano. Trum, 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 trum. And Jenny said, Susie, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? And Susie said, I'm playing piano. I'm playing piano. I'm playing piano. I'm playing piano. And Jenny said, Susie, please. Susie, please. Susie, please. Let me play the piano. Let me play the piano. Let me play the piano. But Susie remembered something and said, No, 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 you can't. I am 10. I am 10. I am 10. You are 5. You are 5. You are 5. You are too young. You are too young. You are too young. And Jenny was very sad because Susie said she was very young and Susie started crying. Wah. Sorry, Jenny. Wah. Meh. Meh. Later the same day, Jenny went again to see Susie. And Susie was playing with the computer. And Jenny said, Susie, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? And Susie said, I'm playing the computer. I'm playing with the computer. I'm playing with the computer. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. And Jenny asked again, Susie, Susie, please. Susie, please. Let me play with the computer. Let me play with the computer. Let me play with the computer. But Susie said, No, no, no. You can't. You are too young. You are too young. You are too young. So Jenny was again very sad. One moment. Sorry. Jenny was very sad and Jenny started to cry again. Mwah, 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 mwah. Later, the same day, Jenny went again to visit Susie, and Susie was playing with a teddy bear. And Jenny said, Susie, 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 what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? And Susie said, I'm playing with my teddy bear. I'm playing with my teddy bear. I'm playing with my teddy bear. And Jenny asked again to Susie, Susie, please. Susie, please. Susie, please. Let me play with your teddy bear. Let me play with your teddy bear. Let me play with your teddy bear. But Susie said, No, no, no. You can't. You are too young. You are too young. You are too young. You are too young. So Jenny was again very, very sad. Mwah, mwah, mwah. So when it became night, when it was very, very, very late, and both sisters went to sleep, Susie was the first falling asleep. And Jenny said, an idea, an idea, an idea. Tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap, tip, tap. 1, 2, 3. Bow! And Susie was scared and started to cry. I'm scared, I'm scared. Where? Where? So Jenny started to laugh. You are too young. You are too young. You are too young. So then Susie learned that she had to share the toys with her sister Jenny. And that's all. And that's all. And that's all. Bye bye.